Alright, so Bitwarden Autofill not working? Yeah, that's super annoying. But don't worry, I'll show you the fastest fixes step by step. First, quick idea. Autofill problems usually happen because of settings, permissions, or browser issues. Start by enabling autofill inside Bitwarden settings. On mobile devices, make sure Bitwarden is set as your default autofill service. Otherwise, it won't work properly. Also check app permissions and allow everything needed, especially accessibility and autofill permissions. Make sure your vault is unlocked because autofill won't work if your vault is locked. If you're using a browser, check that the Bitwarden extension is installed and enabled. You can also try manual autofill using a keyboard shortcut like Control plus Shift plus L. Make sure your app or extension is updated to the latest version. If the problem continues, try restarting your device or clearing the app cache. And if nothing works, reinstall Bitwarden completely. Also, keep in mind that some websites may not support autofill properly. So yeah, these fixes should get your autofill working again fast. And if this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. More tech fixes coming soon.